Mr. Granite is from Another Planet, Chapter 2. We want chocolate cake. The first day of school is the worst day of the year, but the nice thing is that third graders are allowed to ride their bikes to school. I rode with my friends Ryan and Michael. After we locked our bikes to the bike rack, we were told to go to the all-purpose room for an assembly. The teachers were sitting on the stage, and they were all wearing green t-shirts that said PAL on them. Mr. Klutz, our principal, was up there too. He has no hair at all. I mean, none. Mr. Klutz was wearing a green t-shirt too, and his head was even painted green. Mr. Klutz is nuts. Is it St. Patrick's Day? I asked Neil. Coach, who we call the nude kid, even though he wears clothes. St. Patrick's Day is in March, dumbhead, said Neil. So's your face, I replied. After we finished pledging the allegiance, Mr. Klutz went to the microphone. Welcome back to elementary school, he announced. I want to introduce you to the new member of our staff. This is Mrs. Jaffe, our vice principal. And this is Mr. Brad, our new school counselor. And over here, our new third grade teacher is Mr. Granite. All three of them stood up. Everybody clapped. I waved to Mr. Granite. I knew he was going to be my third grade teacher because I'd met him on the beach over the summer. I even saw him yesterday at Staples. We're wearing green today to show that elementary school cares about the environment, said Mr. Klutz. This year, we're going to use less energy, create less waste, and help the planet. The program will be under Mr. Granite's supervision. Wow, I whispered to Ryan. Mr. Granite has supervision. That means he can see through walls. You returning students know I like to challenge you, Mr. Klutz said, so here's your new challenge. If elementary school is named the greenest school in the county for the month of September, we'll have an all-you-can-eat chocolate cake party. Yay! Everybody went crazy because we all love chocolate cake. That's the first rule of being a kid.